How to create an account in Lost Light. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are trying to play Lost Light game but don't know how to set up your account, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the Lost Light game on your device, and once you do, you'll be taken to this page from where you can sign up using your guest account, Google account, Facebook account, X account, VK account, or email. I'm just going to choose the email option. Let's tap on email to create an account. Now, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter your credentials and sign in. But if you'd like to create a new one, click on register. Enter your email address you'd like to sign up with in the first field and set up a new password for your account on the next. Finally, click the next button, and then once you are done, tap on the screen to enter the game. Agree to the terms and condition of the game and follow through the on-screen instructions to get familiar with the gameplay. Select your character and then click confirm. Enter a nickname for your character on the right corner. You can also randomize the nickname by tapping the dash icon and click on confirm. After you do that, you'll be guided through this small tutorial. Select your level if you are a beginner, intermediate, or an expert. And based on your selection, you'll be guided further. So that's how you can easily sign up and get started with Lost Light account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.